What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete the Borzak bounty in Delicia. Essentially, if you come across to the marked location at basically any time of the day, bro's not going to be here. What you'll want to do instead is head pretty much straight to the northeast, where you can see this water tower, and into this little village section here, where you're most likely going to find him. You'll want to run around this town, and eventually you're likely to find him, if it's currently in the afternoon/evening, inside of this building here, just sleeping. So if we come into this building, as such, inside of here, we should be able to tackle them and take them in. It's a very frustrating mission, as I've been everywhere around here looking for this dude. This is the place he's been hiding through all hours of the day. But yeah, anyways, you can also check the place just to the northwest. Up here, there's some more buildings, but he's most likely going to be in this section here / down here. And I've run around pretty much every neighboring thing except for this little section. So I'm pretty sure here's where he chills most of the time, even though the marker is down here. Anyways, do let me know where you found him down below and at what time, as things can change. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time.